Good morning, students. Today we are going to start science, a new lesson, that is lesson number 10, cell and cell organelles. From today onwards we are going to start with our second semester syllabus, and for that reason the first lesson from second semester is cell and cell organelles that we are going to start now. Getting it? So don't worry about it. Our 9th lessons are incomplete and all those things. Today we are going to start with our second semester syllabus. Okay. Now say how many types of cells are found in living organism? The answer is they are having two types of cells which are found in living organism. That the first one is prokaryotic cell and the second one is eukaryotic cell. These things we already studied in 7th standard. Getting it? So this is only a recall. Okay. So they are having the types of cells which are found in the living organism are prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. Eukaryotic cell is again divided with the 2 points, that is the 2 cells, that is plant cells and animal cells. Okay. So keep it in your mind that living organisms are having two types. The first one is prokaryotic and the other one is eukaryotic. So you have to learn these things. And eukaryotic cells are again divided with the 2 cells, that is the first one is a plant cell and the other one is the animal cell. Okay. Then the second question which is given on page number 67 is, which instrument had you used to observe cell? It is a very simple and common question. You are very well known about it, that we are using compound microscope to see the cells. You are very well known about things that cell is a very minute. You are not able to see with your naked eyes, and for that reason we use compound microscope to observe cells. So these two questions you just write down as an extra question in your notebook. Then see the next point. Last year we studied that cell is the structural and functional unit of living organism. Okay, this is the definition of cell. What is cell? Cell is the structural and functional unit of living organism. लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म का स्ट्रक्चरल एंड फंक्शनल यूनिट कौन होता है? दैट इज सेल. सो यू जस्ट राइट डाउन डेफिनेशन ऑफ सेल इज स्ट्रक्चरल एंड फंक्शनल unit of living organism is called cell. So this definition also you just write down and learn it also. According to their function, cells of a different size and structures are found in a different organism. Now see, there have been many organisms which are found in our surrounding. Each and every organism having a different cell structure. Okay, so according to their shape and size it is changed. Now structure of the cell, they are having two diagrams which are given over there. The first diagram, it is plant cell and the other one is animal cell. Now see, plant cell diagram, it is given in a green color. Okay, so you can easily find it out which is the plant cell and the other one is the animal cell. So you have to observe this figure and you have to write down the names. Okay, now I will send you one PDF. Okay, in that PDF they are having the same diagram with their names. You can copy from that, or now I am going to tell you how to write the answer. I am not draw the figures, only I am giving you the answer. Now see, in your green diagram, that is your plant cell diagram, see here. Okay, I am showing you, this is the plant cell and this one is the animal cell. देखो यहाँ पे आपको जो बॉक्सेस दिए हैं जो आपको फिल करने हैं, Now you can write it down the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. This is the 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. That is total 15 names you have to write down. I am giving you the answer. You just write down in your textbook at first, and afterward these two diagrams you just draw in your notebook with the labeling. Okay. So see the first one. I am writing over here. You just copy down from board. The first one is mitochondria. So write down mitochondria. Okay. Now the second is cell wall. The third one is cell membrane. Now what is the difference in between cell wall? Cell wall जो होती है ये जो है this is the cell wall और cell membrane inside होती है जो ऐसे होती है. Okay, that is the cell membrane. ये जो wall है that is cell wall and this is the cell membrane. Then the next one is nucleus. Nucleolus. Fifth one is cytoplasm. And the last sixth one is Golgi complex. Okay. सेवन कहाँ पे है? दो डायग्राम के बीच में. ओके. सो दैट इज द pinocytic vesicle. Okay. Eighth I am writing over here. So see the eighth one is endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum. Ninth one is chloroplast. That is the green in color. Chloroplast. Tenth one is large central vacuole. So write down large central vacuole. 11 कहाँ पे है? 11 आपकी एनिमल सेल है राइट हैंड साइड को. तो उसमें से जो 11 यानी कि जो फर्स्ट वन है एनिमल सेल में that is the first one in what is in color? It is in a brownish color. That is the mitochondria. So write down mitochondria. 12th one is nucleolus. Nucleolus. 13th is nucleus. Nucleus. The 14th one is the cell membrane. And the last one, that is 15, is vesicle. Now you can ask me, ये नाम कहाँ से आए हैं? ये जो नाम है, ये साइंटिस्ट ने फाइंड आउट किए. You just have to learn these names and you have to draw the two diagram with their labeling. Labeling I am giving you. Okay. So according to this, you have to label it and draw it very nicely with color pencil. You can use. Okay. And send to me on my personal WhatsApp number. Now see, have you seen that a plant cell and animal cell? Which one is the common in both? Yes, they are having nucleus is common. Okay, then vacuole is also present in both. Golgi complex is present in both. Mitochondria is also present in both. But the cell wall is present in a plant cell, but cell wall is not present in animal cell. Okay, so this thing you have to keep it in your mind. So at first you just write down these 15 names in your diagram. Okay, hope you understand this. Afterwards, see one chart which is given over there. In that chart, they are having components, animal cell and plant cell. Okay, now just I am telling you the answer. You just take a pencil with your hand and write down the answer in your textbook, and afterward draw this chart also in your notebook. The first one component which is given in your textbook, page number 67, see the chart. Component is cell membrane. It is present in animal also and present in plant is cell wall. Already I told you that cell wall is absent in animal cell and present in plant cell. So जहाँ पे एनिमल सेल है वहाँ पे सेल वॉल की जगह आपको क्या लिखना है, एब्सेंट, और प्लांट सेल की जगह लिखना है आपको प्रेजेंट. गेटिंग इट? थर्ड वन डैश डैश दिया है, एनिमल में प्रेजेंट है और प्लांट में एब्सेंट है. ऐसी कौन सी चीज है जो एनिमल सेल में प्रेजेंट है और प्लांट सेल में एब्सेंट है? द आंसर इज लाइसोसोम. स्पेलिंग मैं आपको बताती हूँ, LYSOSOME. सो राइट डाउन सेल वॉल, सेल मेम्ब्रेन, सेल वॉल, और उसके नीचे जो डैश डैश है वहां पे आपको लिखना है लाइसोसोम. ओके, इट इज प्रेजेंट इन एनिमल सेल एंड एब्सेंट इन प्लांट सेल. देन द नेक्स्ट इज प्लास्टिड्स. नाम में ही है प्लास्टिड्स, व्हिच इज प्रेजेंट इन प्लांट सेल ओनली एंड एब्सेंट इन एनिमल सेल. तो एनिमल के जगह पे आपको एनिमल सेल्स के नीचे आपको लिखना है एब्सेंट और प्लांट के नीचे लिखना है आपको प्रेजेंट. देन अगेन डैश डैश इज गिवन और दोनों में प्रेजेंट है. क्या है ऐसी चीज जो दोनों में प्रेजेंट है? दैट इज अ एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम. ओके, एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम, इट इज प्रेजेंट इन प्लांट सेल आल्सो एंड प्रेजेंट इन एनिमल सेल आल्सो. Then the next one is vacuole. Again vacuole is present in plant also, in animal also. Golgi complex, again it is present in plants also and animal also. And the last one is a mitochondria. It is also present in animal also and plants also. So last के जो तीन है vacuole, Golgi complex and mitochondria, तो तीनों में लास्ट में एनिमल सेल में भी प्रेजेंट लिखना है और प्लांट सेल में भी प्रेजेंट लिखना है. समझ में आया है? Hope you understand this. So you have to draw this chart also in your notebook. We must study each and every part of this cell to understand the processes occurring within the cell. Now the component of a cell. कौन से कंपोनेंट होते हैं सेल्स में? सबसे पहला जो मेन कंपोनेंट है दैट इज द सेल वॉल, देन प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन. ओके, so these things we'll discuss in the next lecture because today we are having a lots of homework. So at first what you have to do, you have to write down the two questions. Can you recall which we already discussed? Then next point is you have to write down the definition of a cell. Then next thing, draw the structure of a cell, plant cell also and animal cell also with the labeling which is given by here. Next point is you have to draw the component animal cell and plant cell, one chart which is given on page number 67. That chart also you have to draw and you have to fill that chart also as I told you the answers. Okay, so these things you just write it down and send to me on my personal WhatsApp number. Hope you understand this component of a cell. We'll discuss in the next lecture. Thank you and have a wonderful day.